For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at info@excelhomeworkhelp.com or reach us at www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. Question. Evaluate if there is a relationship, predict, between the personal characteristics and the screening tools with weight loss. Prepare a short description of what was done and what you found. For equals independent variable, dv equals dependent variable. Conduct a multiple linear regression to predict satisfaction using all of the personal characteristics and perceptions variables, if appropriate. Follow the guide in Module 9 of how to conduct this analysis and include in your description what you did, such as the following. A. Define the hypothesis. B. Describe each variable using appropriate descriptive statistics. No need to recode anything, but make sure dummy coding is correct. Create a Table 1 Remember Analysis Exercise 1 for this step. C. Run bivariate associations. Y. Need 4 by each 4 to check 4 underscore 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 underscore. D. Run the full model, DV and multiple IVs. Show evidence that you checked assumptions, etc. For this exercise, it is okay to enter the selected IVs all at once in one block. E. Summarize the above, AD, and the results in your own words. F. Include IS raw output view or the Excel output. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Solution. A. Hypothesis. Null hypothesis. There is no relationship between the dependent variable I lost and the independent variable sex, age, diet, exercise, confid, sedentary. Alternative hypothesis. There is at least a relationship between the dependent I lost and the independent variable sex, age, diet, exercise, confid, sedentary. A. Descriptive statistics. N mean median standard deviation age 51 26.94 23 8.09 exercise 51 39.59 39 5.49 confid 51 17.78 17 3.37 sedentary 51,114.39 114 4.40 IBS lost 51 24.43 24 5.07 sex 51 female 57%. Male, 43%. Diet 51 yes, 63%. No, 37%. excelhomeworkhelp.com. The table above shows the descriptive statistics of the weight dataset. 57% of the total participants are female, while 43% of the participant are male. 63% of the participant have diet adherence, while 37% do not have diet adherence. The average age of participants was 26.96 years, SD equals 8.09. The mean and standard deviation of minutes exercising per day is 39.59, 5.49, confidence in success, M equals 17.78, SD equals 3.37, respectively. Minutes inactive per day, M equals 114.39, 4.40, pounds lost since start of the program, 24.43, 5.07. excelhomeworkhelp.com. C. The bivariate association graph above shows the bivariate relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variables. The dependent variable is weight loss, while the independence variables are age, exercise, sedentary, and confid. D. The following are the assumption of multiple linear regression, which is illustrate from the graphs below. There exists a linear relationship between the dependent and independent variables. The independent variables are not highly correlated with each other. The variance of the residuals is constant. Independence of observation. Multivariate normality, i.e., it follows a normal distribution. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 0, 20, 40. 60, 80 million, 100,000, 120. Oops, lost. Sample percentile. Normal probability plot. excelhomeworkhelp.com. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 0, 20, 40, 60 LBS lost age. Age line fit plot LBS lost predicted LBS lost confid line fit plot 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 0, 10, 20, 30 LBS lost confid. Confid line fit plot LBS lost predicted LBS lost excelhomeworkhelp.com 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 0, 20, 40, 60 LBS lost exercise. Exercise line fit plot LBS lost predicted LBS lost. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 105 trillion, 110 billion, 115 million, 120,000, 125 LBS lost sedentary. Sedentary line fit plot LBS lost predicted LBS lost excelhomeworkhelp.com minus 20, 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51. Line chart of weight loss data. Sex, age, diet, exercise, confid, sedentary, LBS lost. Multiple regression, OLS, was used to estimate the ability sex, age, diet, exercise, confidence in success, minutes inactive per day, in predicting weight loss. 45% of the variance surrounding weight loss was explained by sex, age, diet, exercise, confidence in success, minutes inactive per day weight, R2 equals 0.4567. Overall, the model was statistically significant weight loss, F equals 6.1667, P equals 0.000. Sex, age, exercise, confidence in success, and minutes inactive per day was not statistically significant in the model, P greater than 0.05, whereas diet was statistically significant, T equals 2.096, P equals 0.04. For every 1 cm increase in head circumference, motor coordination scores increased by 0.65 points, beta equals 0.65. Males were also found to score higher than females. Male scores were 0.35 points. excelhomeworkhelp.com higher, beta equals 0.35, P equals 0.04. F. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Part B, Multiple Logistic Regression Question Task. Now we would like to see if we can find a relationship, predict, between weight loss and some of the personal characteristics and the chance of recommending the clinic to others. Prepare a short description, including the following information. 1. Is running a multiple logistic regression appropriate for this task? Explain why it is or is not appropriate. 2. Define the hypotheses. 3. How many and what % of patients indicated they would recommend the clinic? 4. You do not need to run logistic regression in Excel or IS. Use the output below to write a summary of the relationship. DV, recommend clinic to others, 1 equals yes versus 0 equals no, BS.E-sig or 95% CI for lower upper LBS lost sex, female versus male, age. 248 1.393.011 0.095.694.044 0.009.045.801 1.2824.028 1.064 1.54415.6831.102 excelhomeworkhelp.com. Diet. Constan. T.113-7.228.757.2.880.882.001.119.001.2544.935. Solution. 1. Is running a multiple logistic regression appropriate for this task? Explain why it is or is not appropriate.